Next our concept is LCM and HCF. So already you know LCM means least common multiple and HCF means highest common factor. So what is the relation between LCM and HCF? LCM and HCF is equal to product of two numbers. That means A into B. And one more condition is HCF is a factor of LCM. That means HCF divides the LCM. So using these concept, we can find LCM and HCF for the given integers. Their example problem is find the HCF and LCM of 12, 18. The second one 120, 90 by the prime factorization method. This one is the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method means this one can be written as a product of the prime factors. Already you know. And 18 can be written as a product of the prime factors. So here 12 is equal to 2 square into 3. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 square, like this. 12 is equal to 2 square into 3. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 square. So LCM of 12, 18 is equal to LCM of 12, 18 is equal to, observing these two numbers, these are the prime factors. So here 2 square, here 2. For that LCM, you have to take highest power. In these two, what is the highest power? 2 square. That's why we have to take 2 square into here 3 square. So then you have to take 3 square. So for that LCM, you have to take highest power of the two integers. Here 2 square, here 2. 2 square you have to take. Here 3 square. That's why you have to take 3 square. 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9. 9 into 4, 36. So LCM of 12, 18 is equal to 36. Next HCF. HCF means common factors of 12, 18. So what is the common factor? Observe this here. Here 2, here also 2 is there. Here 3, here also 3 is there. That means here this one is equal to here 2 into 3. Here this one is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. So observing these prime factors, here 2 into 2, here 1, 2 is there. So what is the common factor? 2 only. So 2 into, here 3 into 3. So 3 is the common factor. That's why here we have to write 3. So HCF of 12, 18 is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Same like that 120 and 90. First you have to write prime factors. Prime factorization. Start. So next problem. Find the LCM and HCF of 120, 90. First you have to prime factorization for 120 and for 90 also. So 120 is equal to what here? What you got here? 2 cube into 3 into 5. And 90 is equal to 2 into 3 square into 5. So HCF of 120, 90 is equal. HCF means least powers you have to take. Here 2 cube, here 2. What is the least power? 2. That's why we took here 2. And 3 square. What is the least power? 3. So in these two common is what here? 5. So 2 into 3 into 5. So HCF means least powers you have to take. So that's why we wrote here 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 30. So LCM means highest power you have to take. In that 2 cube and 2, what is the highest power? 2 cube. That's why you have to write 2 cube. Next 3 square. Highest power is 3 square. In that 5. So that's why you have to do 5 only. So 2 cube means 8, 3 square 9 and 5. Totally the LCM is equal to 360. So keep this one in your minds. HCF means least powers and LCM means highest powers. HCF means you have to take least powers of that given numbers. LCM means highest power of the prime factorization. So LCM is equal to 30 and HCF is equal to 360. In that exercise 1.2, they are asking express the following as a product of prime factors. They are given 140 and 156. So product of the prime factors means that is a prime factorization method. So 270 is already you know, 235s, 5 7s are and 7 1s are. Only prime numbers you have to take here. 2 after 3, 3 after 5, 5 after 7, 7 after 11. That only you have to take. So that's why here 5 after 7. So 140 is equal to 2 into 5 into 7. This one is the product of the prime factors. Same like that you have to do 156 also. Understood students this problem? This one is the express the following as a product of the prime factors. So that's why 140 can be written as a product of the prime factors. That means you have to write this one 2 square into 5 into 7. This one is the solution of that given problems. Same like that 150 also same like that will come. So you have to do 156 also. Next exercise 1.2 second problems here of you. Already first problem I told first problem. This one is second problem. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by the prime factorization method. Here given 3 integers. Here also given 3 integers. First we have to do prime factorization. 12 is equal to 2 square into 3. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. 21 is equal to 3 into 7. So LCM means highest powers. Here 2 square and here 3. That's why you have to take 3. Next remaining what here 5. Next 7. So after multiplication we will get 420. So LCM is equal to 420. SCF is equal to common factor. Here 3, here 3, here 3. That's why common factor is 3. So highest common factor is equal to 3. So therefore SCF is equal to 3. This one is LCM and HCF of given 3 integers. Next you have to do second problem also. At home you have to do this problem, second problem. Find the LCM and HCF of 8, 9 and 125. Same like this you have to do. Next third problem see. Check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. So now you have to check. Here given n is a natural number.